Hey, good morning. Some of you may find yourselves in situations where emails get lost. So I'm going to help you organize your folder or show you a way you can organize your folder so you never lose an email again from people that you prioritize. So let's begin with, I'm going to look at this email right here from Miss Lekas that has to do with testing. And I'm going to basically create a folder for her. So first thing I do is I go up here to the folder tab. I do new folder. And I'm going to type in Lekas Whitney, the same way it shows up in my From tab, so that there's no confusion. And I'm going to place this right here in my CR Morgan, because if you choose anything else, if you leave it on inbox, it defaults to being under default, but you want to be able to see it outside. So I chose Morgan so that it will be something that I can see instantly. I click OK, and as you can see, her email popped up where I can see it rather than being a sub. If I left it in inbox, it would be a subfolder up under inbox, and I may forget to look in there. But if I leave it anywhere out of there, it becomes its own substation. And since Ms. Lekas's information is testing and it's pretty important, I'm going to leave it where it is because those are my priorities, Mr. Simmons, Ms. Dr. Rose, and then of course, checking on testing. Now that I've done that, I want to make sure that I have one of her emails selected, and I'm going to go to my home tab. On my home tab, I'm going to go to rules. Under rules, I'm going to create a new rule. And notice, because I am on her email, it already has from Lekas Whitney M. So I'm going to check that. Now I could prioritize my emails by subjects, and notice that I will need to change my folder. I can also change my ringtone for when I receive an email from her, what I want it to look like. So I'm going to browse, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to choose something like, let's see what number 9 sounds like. So when I hear that ringtone, I know, let's see, ring out. Maybe I want something that's going to really capture my attention when I do this. So let's see what 5 sounds like. Testing. Oh, every time I hear this ringing, I know it's going to have something to do with testing. So I'm going to click open. And I now know that that is the specific ringtone that will play whenever I get an email from her. I'm going to make sure that I change my folder and select her folder. And I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to click OK. But here's the important part. To clean up my mailbox, I'm going to click Run this rule now on messages already in the current folder. Click OK. That's the ringtone. Yeah, Ms. Lekas sending me an email. What? I got an email from Ms. Lekas. Yep. Okay. So notice that in my main time frame, in my main mailbox, I do not see any emails from Ms. Lekas. That one was even moved. But if I go over here to Ms. Lekas, you can see that I have 20 unread emails. Sorry, Ms. Lekas, no disrespect meant. So now I can focus on every email that I want. So this is a way for you to avoid missing emails from your appraisers, emails from Mr. Simmons, and anyone else that you deem important enough to where you don't want their emails to get lumped in with everybody else's. I hope that this PD helped you guys to never miss another important email. If you need me, I'm an email away. Just let me know and I'll do what I can to support you. Skyline Way, baby, let's do this.